Hey everyone, today I wanted to share a digital product idea that I think is absolutely amazing. Custom wavy text. First, I want to show you why I think it's amazing, and then I'm going to show you how to create the product yourself. If you're sitting there thinking, yeah, fonts, I've heard this all before, just bear with me. Wavy text is too difficult or too inconvenient to create for the average person, which makes it a lucrative niche. You can't just download a font style that looks like this, otherwise this niche will be dead. If we open up some of these listings, you'll notice that customers are prompted to add their own personalization or custom text. We, the seller or your virtual assistant, then creates the PNG file from your template and submits it to the customer. They can then use this with their own print-on-demand stores. For example, if they're selling t-shirts or hoodies, I just created this just to show you. The logo is called Sell This with wavy text. Looks alright. So this is just created with Printful. You can also use Printify, other print-on-demand stores, or sell on Redbubble or your own Shopify store. The thing is, we're not actually creating a print-on-demand product. We're just creating a PNG file, personalized PNG file like this for your customer. They can then do whatever they like with it. Now let's get into the metrics. I use Wavy to check for a monthly sales estimate, link in the description. But the first thing I want you to notice here is the listing age. I said in previous videos that I look for under 12 months with monthly sales. This matches all of that. This, in fact, is well under 12 months, like 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, and they all have great sales. So this is definitely a great niche to look at entering. If all your competitors only just listed and they all have monthly sales, it should indicate that this is worthy of your time because you can actually compete even as a new seller. I also want to show you the E-rank analysis for these two competitors. So Finest Knives listed a month ago and Pink Ocean Craft. So the Finest Knife shop, literally just 63 listings, basically all wavy text, so it's obviously doing well. Sort by highest view count, and wavy text is number 1. So listed 115 days ago, already a few $1,000s in revenue, and 700 plus sales. This one's just listed 22 days ago and already 100 plus sales. Definitely doing well. Now the second store, Pink Ocean Craft, few hundred listings, but if we check their wavy listings, wavy products listed 90 days ago, 1,000 plus estimated revenue. 79 days ago, same, 1,000 plus estimated revenue. This is what we're looking for. Okay, how do you create the product? Glad you asked. I'm going to show you 2 different methods. The first involves the use of Canva and Photopea, or you can use Photoshop. The second is just by using Kittle. So head over to Canva, create a design at 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, add a heading, sell this, increase the font size. You can also reduce the spacing, center it, and now we can change the font. So you can search something like these, retro. They have some okay ones, but you can also use pop. Honestly, Canva doesn't have the best fonts, and if you're going to be competing with others, you're going to want different fonts. You need to stand out. So I just go to Creative Fabrica, search something like retro or pop or something like that, and you can download any of these and import them directly into Canva and use that instead. So just for this example, we'll use this one. We can also add a background effect, so a shadow. Basically the end result that I made look like this before we added the warp effect. Okay, now we need to download this as a transparent PNG. There we go. Click share, download, PNG, transparent background. Choose your page number. So you actually need a Canva Premium account to download with a transparent background, but you can use Photoshop if you have that as an alternative, or Photopea. So once that is downloaded, just paste this on your desktop, upload it in to Photopea. Is that how you say it? Photopea. Click edit, transform, warp, then under the style section, click wave. You can also edit this basically custom style to suit your needs or suit how your customer likes it, or just your own personal style. You can also do this with Photoshop, but the thing is with both Photopea and Photoshop, you can't add the warp effect on text. It does nothing. So you actually need to save the text file as a PNG file, re-upload it, go to transform, warp, and then you can make it your own. The second method involves using a tool called Kittle. It's very similar to Canva, but it allows for much more customization when it comes to text. So let me just show you what I mean. I'll create a title called Sell This. Group these together. Increase the font size. Oops. And we can change the font by just clicking this. I've used that one before. I think it's just, I searched retro, yep, retro. All the other regular things like font sizes and alignment, all that. But to actually get the desired effect that we want, just click this, and under the transformation type here, just click flag. You can also adjust this to suit however you'd like it. Revert that back. And the same thing with this one. You can also add effects like drop shadows, line shadows, and more. So that looks all right-ish. Just have a play around with it. And once you're done, you can submit it to your customer. So just download it as a PNG file. To remove the background, you still need a premium license for just the same as Canva. And to get that SVG file as well, you need a premium account. So that might be another competitive advantage for your listing, to offer SVG, PNG, and JPG. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.